Don't you think this is starting to wear on me? You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the...
G'day everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Anna and this is You Got Me in Stitches. Hope everybody has had a good week whatever you have been up to. Okay, so today is the unboxing of my monthly box of Happy from SewHayleyJane. And yeah, for those of you that are not so familiar with that, we'll go through the box and see what the contents of this August month can reveal. And I have already opened it and it's full of delightful goodies. So let's go, let's see what's inside. Righto, so every time you open a SewHayleyJane box, you're always greeted with sunshine yellow tissue paper, and just as I said that, the sun has literally just come out behind me, and yeah, it must have known. I subscribe to the classic box. There are 3 tiers: the mini, the classic and the luxury. So let's see what is inside my classic monthly box of Happy. Starting off with some candy. Hayley always puts in a sweet treat for everybody, and yeah, this type of candy I will pass over to my friend. I'm kind of only just a chocolate candy girl. Then next up we have some piping cording here, and yeah, you could use that for junk pants, or if you got some little purses that you want to use little drawstrings as is, or you could get some fabric and cover that to make some piping for some cushions. Yeah, so a few ideas there. Next up we have some regular sewing machine needles, and yeah, that must have timed perfect this month because I am on my last sewing machine needle, so yeah, that's really good, and that's by Hibic. Next is a pretty little postcard, and the depiction is a lady and she's sewing these very happy colourful sunflowers there, and yeah, great ideas. You could use the postcard as is and send to somebody, or if you prefer, maybe you could frame that and put that in a sewing room, and I think that would look great on a wall. And now we are going to look at the 4 fat quarters that you get in the classic box. So starting off with this very happy sunflower cotton fabric for the first fat quarter. It's always fun to have some fat quarters because it helps with all the little smaller projects. The next fat quarter is equally as vibrant and happy, kind of reminds me a little bit of watercolours. So we have the greens and yellows, purples, a little bit of blue there, so yeah, really pretty. And now showing you guys the third one, and yeah, it's kind of a little bit of a orangey yellow on this one, and yeah, it's coming up true to colour. Righto, let's see what the 4th fat quarter looks like, and it is a bit of a contrast. It is in this blue and white colourway with these little X's on, and I was kind of looking at these fat quarters overall, and I think they would work really well or complement each other together. And if you are into patchwork, you could maybe make a patchwork purse, baggie, or a cushion for yourself, or a little gift. So if you subscribe to SewHayleyJane box and you have this month, what ideas do you have for your fat quarters? Yeah, they're really complementary and work really well together. And now we are coming on to the book that Hayley wonderfully puts together each and every month, and we're on book 33 already, so let's have a sneak peek inside. Hayley always starts off her introduction for herself saying hello. Hello Hayley, hope you're okay. And then we have an interview with Georgia. Georgia was the lady that did the beautiful postcard that's in this month. Then we have make of the month, and yeah, no sneak peeking, I'm not going to show you guys. And next up, 3 boxes, 3 makes. And then we have suggestions from the wonderful Timlin for the projects for the fat quarters that come in the box each month. Next up is Hayley's little links. And over the page we have a profile by a lady called Ruth. Pen and Picks is over the page, and that's from the 2 ladies from the fold line. Following that is the Makers Gallery. Yeah, so I'm not going to show you any sneaky peeks. If you have the book, enjoy, and let me know what you think of this month's book. Always a great read. And now a look at this month's thread. So it's a Gutterman thread and it is a polyester, so this might give you a little bit of an idea of the colourway of this month's fabric. Righto, shall we see guys what this main fabric is this month? It's one of my favourite fabrics. Here it is. It is in a wonderful red gingham. And yeah, I couldn't believe it when I saw that. I was so happy. There are actually 3 colourways this month. There is a black, this one the red, and a grey colourway. It is a yarn dyed fabric and it is absolutely beautiful, and it kind of screams to me either a kind of a little vintage look shirt dress or maybe a 50s style skirt. Maybe even sort of those poofy ones where they have the kind of tulle underneath. Yeah, so lots of ideas. And yes, at the moment I've actually got quite a lot of gingham in my fabric collection. And yeah, so I better start actually sewing. In the classic box, the length of fabric is 2.5 yards. And yeah, I am really looking forward to sewing with this and all my other ginghams as well. But to be fair, Hayley always does an absolutely wonderful job every month. It's just wow, phenomenal. She just has such a wonderful eye for luxurious fabrics, beautiful tastes and ideas to go with everything like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys are making out of your main fabric. Hope you enjoyed seeing what was inside this month's box of Happy that we get.